students, now let us solve some short answer questions. Weightage for this question is of 1 mark and these questions are from chapter 1 to 3. First question. In the figure, triangle ABC is shown and segment XY is parallel to side BC. Length of AX is 2, length of XB is 4, length of AY is 3 and length of YC is A. So here we have to find out value of A. So for that we have to apply basic proportionality theorem. So by this theorem, AX upon XB, I will write down their length. Length of AX is 2, length of XB is 4 is equal to AY upon YC. Length of AY is 3 and length of YC is A. So after solving this, A into 2 is equal to 3 into 4. Therefore, 2A is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. So value of A is 6. So I will write down value of A is 6. I wrote the final answer. It is 6. Now in second question, observe the figure and state whether ray PM bisects angle QPR. Now this is ray PM, this is angle QPR. So for that we have to find out the ratios of its sides. Now let us find out QM upon MR. Length of QM is 3.5, length of MR is 1.5. So taking the ratio 3.5 upon 1.5. After shifting decimal point one place to the right, we will get 35 in the numerator, 15 in the denominator, and after simplifying we get 7 upon 3. So QM upon MR is 7 upon 3. Now QP upon RP, QP upon RP, it is also equal to 7 upon 3. So both these ratios are same. So we can conclude that ray PM bisect angle QPR. So I will write down ray PM bisects angle QPR. Third one. Observe the figure and state whether triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. This is triangle ABC, this is triangle PQR. In AB, length of AB is 6, length of BC is 8, measure of angle in between them is of 45 degrees. In triangle PQR, length of PQ is 3, length of QR is 4 and measure of angle in between them is 45. So if we will take the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB to PQ, length of AB is 6, length of PQ is 3. After simplifying we get 2 upon 1. Similarly, ratio of BC to side QR, length of BC is 8, QR is 4, 8 upon 4 is 2 upon 1. So both these ratios are same. So we can say that ratio of their corresponding sides is equal or is same. That means sides are in proportion and angle between them is congruent. So triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Reason is by side angle side test for similarity. In fourth question, from the figure find the value of theta. Now triangle ABC is given in which measure of angle B is 90. So AC is hypotenuse, length of hypotenuse is 12 and length of AB is 6. So now length of AB is half of the hypotenuse. So we can say that measure of angle theta will be 30 because by converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. So here I will write the answer theta is equal to 30 degrees. Reason is by converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. In fifth question, in triangle PQR, PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. That means here Pythagoras theorem is applied. So I will draw the figure. This is P, this is Q, this is R. So PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. Which angle of triangle PQR is right angle? So angle opposite to hypotenuse, this angle is R. it is a right angle. So I will say measure of angle R is equal to 90. R is a right angle. Sixth question, state whether 3, 6, 9 is a Pythagorean triplet or a not. Now the smallest side are 3 and 6 respectively. So 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, 45. So 9 square is equal to 81. So what we can conclude, 45 is not equal to 81. Therefore 3, 6, 9 is not a Pythagorean triplet. In seventh question, in figure, segment PQ and segment PR, tangent segment, length of tangent segment PQ is 5 centimeter. We have to find out length of PR. Now, by tangent segment theorem, we can say that PQ is equal to PR. Reason is tangent segment theorem. So length of PQ is 5 centimeter. Therefore, length of PR is also equal to 5 centimeter. In 8 short answer question, observe the figure. QR is a tangent, it touches the circle at point Q. Measure of angle PQR is 75 degrees. And we have to find out measure of angle PMQ. Both these angles, they intercept the same arc. That means they are inscribed in the same arc. And these two angles will be congruent with each other. That means angle PMQ congruent with angle PQR. So measure of angle PMQ will be equal to 75 degrees. In 9th question, two circles having radii 3 cm and 5 cm touch each other internally. Find a distance between their centers. So distance between their centers is equal to radii of greater circle minus radii of smaller circle. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 centimeter. So distance between centers of these two circles will be of 2 centimeter.